tell me you can handle the running every day.
You don't even go out and do the sports. You don't even go run like we ask you to.
Get serious about running, we'll see how your feet do. Deal? Huh?
Sure.
Right there you
Yeah.
What?
Me ever gonna play with us?
What did I just tell you? You get serious about running and we'll see how your feet do. How hard is that?
Very hard.
What? Because it means you have to do something?
No, it means I have to do.
Exactly.
It means I
You have to run. I don't like running.
Well, I don't like you.
Well, that doesn't surprise me.
You ready, Reed?
You don't talk to me.
Good enough.
Take it, Dean. Take it. Come on, Nicholas. It's yours, Colby. Take it, buddy.
Down the line.
Down the line. Go. Go down the line, Nick. Don't stand there. Where's your shoes? There he is.
Jacob, don't chase it. Matthew's chasing it. Go, Matthew.
Hit the ball. Yeah. That gives you energy.
Run!
Brother, how you doing? I know you now.
Find your player.
Down the line, down the line, down the line.
Again. Hurry. Quick, 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 quick.
Spread out, yellow.
Get it, Nick. Get it. Go. It's so close.
Take it, Dean. Ready, Reed. What time is next game?
8:45. Nice kick, Nicholas.
Go back to the goal.
Good job, Reed.
Get it, Nick. Kick it out.
Take it, Reed.
Looks like that dad's on the field.
That's the coach.
I understand that, but it just looks like he's on the field from here. Charge it, Nicholas, charge it! All right, turn it around, look where your players are. There you go, look where your players are. Oh, get it in! Oh.
Give your mother a heart attack.
Oh my goodness gracious.
What about Dino?
Nicholas, goal kick. Turn around. See where he's going to kick it. Find a defender. Block it, Nick. Block it.
Oh. I'm just out.
Same thing, Nicholas. Find the defender. What?
What? Defender.
Dude, you should see the moves he's doing right now. Are you watching this? He just popped it over a defender and kept going. Nicholas did.
I'm watching.
I'm talking to your father. He just popped it over a defender and kept going.
Red out, yellow, be ready.
Oh, see, Nick, he was coming that way. He was coming that way. There you go, there you go, there you go.